Tea tree bar soap is great to use to clean your brushes. It is antibacterial and antifungal. Wash brushes thoroughly, squeeze water from the bristles, and lay bristles flat and straight, then lay them on a towel to dry. Here, you want to tap the excess water out of the brushes and that the bristles can spread out so that air can get through there and dry them quickly. Make sure that when you lay the brushes back down that no bristles are out of place and that they are fluffy. You want to leave them laying flat to dry.